Yeah, let's go back then.
It always sucks turning around, but
Yeah.
it's let's not discredit what we have done.
Yeah.
I will not hike this peak unless it's in the winter.
Alright, we made it to 12,620 feet.
All right. Do you guys actually want to go like 10 more minutes so we can say we got higher than we did last
We
time?
did.
By 10 feet. I think we were 12.6 last time.
Okay. So we made it.
Yeah, I think we made it to where we were. In it? There we go.
You're in it.
Oh.
Get my pulse with this.
Okay.
Oh, you okay? Don't die.
Do you want your tube? Winter?
What's up? Oh, no, thank you. Yeah, that was part of my other concern was even if we made it to summit, whoop-de-doo,
Can we make it down?
can we see our trail on the way down?
No.
Because that was the joke is like, well, there's only one way to get up to the summit, but there's a lot of ways to get down.
Yeah.
So,
Live is the preferred way.
alive
Yeah.
is.
Going up is optional. Getting down is mandatory.
Yeah. But it's like, I just don't want to get lost trying to see like where the trail actually goes once you hit tree line.
Yeah. Erin has it on her watch.
That's handy.
Yeah. Passed out. It's like I'm skiing. This is where we were. Yeah.
My fingers are cold now.
Yeah. You want to trade gloves?
No.
Okay. My toes are getting cold.
Yeah. Yeah, really.
Well, I was thinking about that. It's like,
I don't see our trap. I don't see our trap anymore. Like, doesn't that show signs of an avalanche?
What?
I can't tell if that's just the wind swept.
Does this show signs of an avalanche?
I don't know.
Like, maybe it would.
I know when it starts getting crusty on top and there is loose underneath.
Down regardless.
I don't think you're gonna slide very easy. Yeah. I don't know where to go.
I got you, boom!
Crap.
Sadly, not deep in the snow. Oh.
This is where we were earlier.
Yes, good job. We are.
Huh? You want one of these?
Thank you. And what?
Dried mango.
Oh yeah. It's alright.
Oh, first they're sour
Then they're sweet.
and they're sweet.
I can't wait to sit in the heater in the car.
One thing. I don't think I've had Sour Patch Kids in a while.